Hello, assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to use the crop tool in Photoshop software, Photoshop 2021. We can use by pressing the control only C, by pressing the C in keyboard. Here the crop tool and representative crop tools, slice tools, slice selection tools. So at first I'm taking the new file. I'm taking the resolution is 300 and the width is 5, height is 7, and the name I'm taking the Redesign Engineering, Redesign Engineering. Okay, done. Then create. Then I want to take this, so remove this one. I'm going to the file and open it. Okay, I'm taking this Sushant Singh Rajput image. Then I'm going to select the crop tools or press the C from here. I'm taking this one. Here I can copy it or pressing the shift, then copy. I'm taking up to this, then move to copy. I have copied it without any dimension. So before Control Z, and I'm going here and going here, and the current tools only all we can take here from the scope 4" and 6", and the resolution is 300. So meaning is that 4" I mean 4R. When the image will be the 4R, then we can select the 4" and 6", and the resolution is 300. Now I have taken up to this, then move to this select. Okay, done. And we can also select Control plus Z. Again click here, and I'm going here, and I'm taking this one is new setup. Okay, then I can take also from here. I'm taking it 1.5, 1.5, and 1.9, and 1.9. Then okay, then move is selected. This one is the generally I have selected in the fast process images, and we can also, this one is selected from here. If I want to take this group, one click, another click, another click, another. I want to take this one, then copy. Okay, this one is done. When the image will be the top, in that time you can select this one, control the top to this one, or I can go here and copy it, or I can go in here and take it. Then slice it, you can slice here. After slicing, I can select this one and only I'm taking up to this one only, copy it. So I'm selecting up to this, Control C, going here, Control V. Okay. You're watching this one. And then I'm going here again, Control D, or I can go here and select this one, the first one. Okay, I'm going here, then slice selection tools. Okay, the whole body is selected. I'm taking this one up to this, up to this. Okay, done. Then I'm taking the selection tool, only this portion, Control C, then going here, Control V. Actually, this image is this tool is used for taking the separation separately. To take this portion, we can use this slice image, then Control V, then move to the selected and join to this part. It's useful for taking the banner. We can use this slice image, then again the selection tools, and from here to here selected, Control C, then going here, then Control V. Okay, done. Then join this part. You're watching the whole body is jointed. So I think everybody understood what I have showed. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the next video.